This presentation will focus on the Sage Buyout solution and the efficiencies it can offer your company. A quick look at the workflow. The estimate provides the details for the buyout process. Buyout offers the opportunity to buy out one or multiple estimates in a single buyout package to take advantage of volume discounts. The solution can send requests for quotes to your suppliers and subcontractors via email or fax. Once quotes are received, the prices can be entered into the system for price comparison. When the supplier or subcontractor is selected, Buyout will create the details for the commitment in Sage 100 and 300 accounting suites. I will move to the estimating application where the process begins to highlight a couple items Buyout takes advantage of to automate the process. Notice Unified Concrete is selected for the concrete materials and a subcontractor for the site work. The Buyout solution can be set to automate the grouping of these items into quote groups, increasing our efficiency. Buyout can also take advantage of location and work breakdown structures to organize how we buy out the job. Here we have broken down the estimate items by area. Moving to the Buyout solution, as mentioned, we can import one or multiple estimates at one time. In this presentation, we will stick with one. The application allows us to buy out all categories. In this case, we will do materials and subcontracts. Choose the job or have it pre-filled from the estimate. With the Sage 300 accounting suite, we can map to an extra if needed. The toolbar in the Buyout solution lays out a very easy, straightforward workflow process. Group items, select vendors, create commitments, and a review which offers the opportunity to view our progress of buying out the job at any point. Here's a list of all items from the estimate. The items with the yellow backing need to be grouped into quote groups. The items with the white backing have automatically been set up in a quote group based upon what we did in the estimate. Notice the Unified Concrete vendor from the estimate. To assist with the process and manage the list, the system offers the ability to combine like items, or view on assigned items only, or show items in greater detail that have been sent from the estimate. The system also offers the ability to refine the list by category, in this instance, subcontract. In the View pane, we can organize the items in a manner that meets your needs. Here we have it broken down by the 16 divisions. But you may want to buy the job out in phases, or in this case, area, which came from the estimate. Clicking on each area refines the list even further. As you can see, the system offers a tremendous amount of flexibility. I will move back to Group phase and click on Woods and Plastics. Assign the items to a quote group called Framing. Once completed, move to the next step in the process. Notice there are multiple groups already created which was automatically generated from the estimate. To start the process, simply right-click or select Include Vendor from the toolbar to select vendors and subcontractors. We can utilize the estimating address book to quickly go to the trade and select the subcontractors. This lines them up side by side for easy review and comparison of pricing. With another right click or click on the toolbar, we can send requests for quotes via fax or email. Check the boxes for the ones needing to be sent. This offers flexibility to stage the request for quote process. An Excel spreadsheet with the list of items the subcontractor can complete and send back. Plus, add any attachments to be sent with the RFQ. For example, plan pages. The system automatically notes the date and time sent and tracks when received. Moving to the quote group that was automatically created, you will notice pricing has already been applied for a side-by-side comparison of 3 vendors. Because we store vendor pricing in a database, the system can automatically apply the stored pricing we received from these vendors. Here's a look at the database broken down by vendor that offers a through date. This can increase your efficiency significantly. I will select the quote pricing from the Unified Concrete vendor and move to the commitment step in the process. In this presentation, I'm only working with one commitment, but of course, in your workflow, there would be multiples. I will select the box and create commitments on the toolbar, which will generate the commitment details to the accounting suite. As a setting, the system can pull in the PO number from the Sage 300 construction and real estate solution. Prior to viewing the commitment record in accounting, we can review where we are in the process of buying out this project. This offers a high-level profile breakdown. Jumping into job cost. Here are the commitment details sent over by the buyout application. This was a quick look at the benefits the buyout solution can offer your company. Please contact us to schedule a presentation specific to your company needs or inquire about the investment to get started with the solution.